Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is excellent opening for software engineering positions with Nike, which is off-campus hiring, and it can give you good packages of 12 to 30 lakhs, and all of freshers experienced are invited. So this is about Nike, and most of you would already know it is an American athletic footwear and apparel corporation, right? It is based out of Origin in US, and it is world's largest supplier of athletic shoes and apparels, and a major manufacturer of sports equipment. So most of the students will know it. And talking, it is a publicly listed company traded at New York Stock Exchange, S&P, Dow Jones Index, and industries apparel, accessories, and sports equipment. So this company was started in 1964, so it's already 61-year-old company and quite big corporation. You can see their revenue was $51 billion in 2024, operating income quite good, $6 billion, and the total number of employees in 2024 were 80,000, 79,400. So it's very good. And also sometimes students say they do also want to know about the hiring game, how the hiring happens, right? So basically, first step is you have to apply for the position. So after that, Nike teams are going to review your CV with respect to diverse skill set, knowledge bases, inputs, and backgrounds, right? And then they will try to fit you, review job descriptions, this departments, and then time to take a discover the role for you. Second step will be, if you selected, then for a corporate, recruiter will call you. They will start your interview process and be your main contact for throughout the process. So HR team will be main contact. For retail roles, they will be complete interactive assessment like chats and quizzes. But for the software engineer role, there will be HR round, which will be just a preliminary method, and after that there will be interview. Now this will be a detailed round with based on the area of interest and software field. There will be 2 to 3 rounds of interviews, mostly not a detailed technical but overview level. So now I'm talking about the open position which I'm sharing. It's called software engineer in IT industry, and this location is for software engineering based out of Bangalore. So you can see that we're operating from Embassy Golf Links, Karnataka, and the job ID code is R71708. That is what I'm going to share details. So Nike is providing data engineer within the software engineering role. Location Bangalore, experience 0 to 2 years. So students up to 2 years experience can definitely apply here. Now you will be part of the global engineering team and that designs and builds high throughput, low latency, fault tolerant paid media data systems, right? And you will be seeing into Nike's digital transformation and the growth strategy. So what you will do is basically build and maintain scalable data pipelines and distributed systems. You will also work on the largest data sets using technologies like Python, Java, Databricks, Hive, Spark, and SQL. So if you experience or knowledge or through internship in any of these 2 3, then you are eligible. Now further you will be designing and basically cloud-based architecture. So Amazon, they have on Amazon. So EC2, ECS, those are the Amazon services you will be working. So you will get a cloud exposure. Also, you will collaborate with engineering and products teams across regions. You will participate in design reviews, code reviews, and agile processes. And finally, you will also implement CI/CD, which is continuous improvement and continuous delivery pipelines, and ensure that production grade reliability is achieved. So I have already spoken, they are looking for 0 to 2 years in data engineering, backgrounds like Python, Java, experience with Databricks, Spike, all those systems, and then REST API, DevOps, and some fundamentals of AWS cloud, which is Amazon Web Services, will be advantage. And if you have some experience in automated testing framework, then that is a bonus, but it is not compulsory. If you have some experience in large scale data transfer, that is good. And if you have some understanding of agile and scrum principles, those are great. So tips before applying is that you should prepare a clean resume, clean, and highlight your and show hands-on work experience on Spark or AWS. If you have done some project even in the college time, that is completely acceptable, right? So now this is a direct link, which is careers.nike.com/software engineer ITC. You can see job R71708 for the data engineer role. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates in all top notch and multinational companies. Take care.